Welcome back again, learners. I hope you have done the exercise 1 and 2, and if there is any question, just below this video write the question and we'll answer it. In the meantime, I want us to do something else. We want to do example number 2. That was example number 1. Example 1. We want us to do example 2. Example 2, I write it on the board. Example 2, let me write it on the board. Example 2. Example 2. Write each of the following as a fraction with 100 as the denominator. As 100 as the denominator. A, 1%, B, 40%, C, 27%, D, 100%. 100%. Learners, I want us to do this one. Answer. We want to write 1% as a fraction with 100 as the denominator. As 100 as the denominator. So 1% will be equal to 1 over 100. Okay? Because we said percent means out of 100. Okay? Means out of 100. This is A. Then B, 40% can be written as 40 over 100. 40 over 100. Remember the example of the marks. We say that if your teacher gives you 95% after doing a test, that means you have scored 95 over 100. 95 over 100. So that is the same case here. 40% means 40 over 100. Then C is 27% means 27 over 100. 27 over 100. Then we have 100%. 100%, that is D. 100% means 100 over 100. 100 over 100. So we have written these numbers as fractions with 100 as the denominator. 100 as the denominator. So learners, that is what I wanted us to do next. And before we go on, I want you to do an exercise related to what we have done. I'll give you some work before we continue. Before we continue, learners, write this exercise down and do it. Write the following exercise and do it. I write it on the board for you. Exercise, this one I write it on the board. Exercise. Write each of the following. Write each of the following as a fraction. As a fraction with 100 as the denominator. So 149%, 2 50%, 3 65%, 4 72%, 5 80%, 6 2%, 7 21%, 8 10%, 9 7%, and 10 98%. Learners, I want you to do this assignment before we can proceed. Go to your exercise book, write the exercise down, then write each of these numbers as a fraction with 100 as the denominator. Let's meet in the next class after you have done the assignment. Thank you.